Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hustle World, and yes, it's time to get back on the Monday grind, people, and we got tons and tons of free watch faces for you today. Now, we had to break them up into 2 videos, so we got 3 for you here. Listen, and in these 3, there are tons of watch faces. All right, you all, so let's get ready to kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hustle World, and we got some freebies for you to check out in the Gear Manager store. It's going to be on the homepage, free for a limited time only. Make sure you go download right after the video. Now, these free watch faces are going to definitely help you through the Monday grind and throughout your work week. Now, the name of the watch face is called Mr. Time Legion number 10, and all watch faces that we're going to review right now are all going to have 4 watch faces in one. So let's go ahead without further ado and check them out. First of all, the first watch face that we're going to check out is called Prussian Blue. Very nice looking analog watch face. Gives you a moon phase. Very simple but yet effective if you decide to dress up. This would be the watch face to play. Very nice look. Now, if you don't know, just double tap in the center and you can go to the next watch face. Tap on the arrow, then tap on the watch face. And now this one here, the video isn't going to do it justice, but it looks really nice. It's called Melted Chocolate. This looks a lot better than the first one. You're going to get battery info, days of the week, your month, your date, also your battery info right there at the top. This is really a nice looking classic watch face with a little pizzazz to it. I love it. I like the dials in this one. Let's check out the next one. Now, this next one is also nice. It's called Basic number 16. This one is beautiful. Now, the look of this one, very simple but yet unique. You're going to get your time, and you get a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Not a bad look at all. And then Mr. Time put his little hat up at the top, which is not a bad look at all. Now, last but not least, on this watch face, you get one that's very, very simple but yet unique. You're going to get your day, your month, your date in the center, the name of the watch face. Well, not the name of the watch face, but of the developer. And then you get the hour, and then that's your minute hand right there. Very unique but yet different look. And if you look in here, I had to turn it down a little bit. You can see numbers going around the bezel of the watch, and you get indexes too. Very, very subtle but yet nice. All right, you all, that's watch face number 1. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Legion number 11. A very, very, very nice look, people. Now, this one is called Dashboard. Dashboard looks pretty nice. You may have seen this one before. Very clean, very unique, but nice. I do like the dials that's going on inside of this watch face. Not a bad look at all, and it's different. Let's check out the next one. Now, the next one is going to be called Basic number 3. Very simple watch face. I like this one. Very unique. It looks good in always on mode as well. But if you're looking for an analog watch face, this might be the one to play. Very simple but yet unique. Now, the next one is called Basic number 2. Now, this one has the gold look with gold hands. The background is lit, so it's not going to be as battery efficient. But again, a very nice looking analog watch face. The next one is very unique. I like this one. This one is called Virtual Reality. Very simple. It's a digital watch face, which is probably the only one out of them all. And it looks nice. It's not bad. It's going to give you your time, and it's also going to give you your day and your date. It's not a bad look. You can't customize the color or anything like that, but it's simple. All right, you all, that's it for watch face number 2. Let's check out watch face number 3. But not least, watch face number 3. Now, this one is called DD110W. Very nice look. I like the color. I like the analog look on this watch face. You get a few dials in all. You get one that's going to represent 24 hours. Then the other is going to represent your days of the week. And then you're also going to get your battery information within this watch face. You don't have to touch anything. It does not have any step status or anything like that. But still, for a going out watch face, for an everyday watch face, this one is not bad. Let's check out the next one. Now, this next one is called Champagne Gold, another analog watch face with a few dials. You get 60 minutes, 60 seconds, you get your date, your day, and battery info within this one. Not a bad look, especially if you're out in the daytime. This one here is a good look. All right, this one is called Basic number 5. Simple, Very simple, but nice. I like the look. I like simple, especially if I'm going to be out in the daytime. This is another daytime watch face, which is not a bad look. Let's check out the next one. Okay, the next one is called Digitized, right? Nice digital watch face, pixelated. This is all you get. You get the name down at the bottom. Very simple. So if you're into a basic kind of day, then this may be the watch face for you. All right, you all. That's it for all 12 watch faces rolled into 3. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed the freebies for the day. I hope you're going to go download them because they are free for the taking for a limited time only. So make sure you go ahead to the Gear Manager store and download. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.